In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write vertically Google Sheets. If you've ever wanted your headers to read top to bottom or to save space in a tight layout, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it. Start by heading to Google in your web browser. In the top right corner of the page, look for the small grid made of 9 dots. That's the Google Apps launcher. Click it to open Google's app menu, then choose Sheets from the list. This takes you straight into Google Sheets without needing to hunt for the right page. Once Sheets opens, select the spreadsheet you want to work on. If it's already saved in your account, you'll see it in your recent files. Open it up, and you're ready to format your text vertically. Click into the cell where you want vertical text and type your data, such as a short label or header. Brief, clear words work best for vertical layouts, since each character will stack one under the other. When you're done typing, select the cell. If you need multiple cells to be vertical, drag to highlight all of them at once so the formatting applies uniformly. Now look toward the toolbar at the top of the screen. Find the text rotation button. It's the icon that looks like angled text with a small arrow. Click it to open the rotation options. From the menu, choose Stack Vertically. The moment you select it, your text will reorganize so each character appears on its own line, forming a neat vertical column. If the text feels cramped or gets cut off, adjust the row height or column width so everything is easy to read. Center alignment can also make vertical headers look cleaner. The alignment controls are right next to the text and formatting options. Shorten long phrases if needed so the stacked letters don't stretch your rows too far. This vertical format is great for compact tables, dashboards, and printed reports where horizontal space is limited. It helps your headers stand out and keeps your layout tidy. And don't worry, if you change your mind, you can undo the change instantly with your keyboard's undo command. That's all there is to it. Open Sheets, go to your document, type your text, highlight the cells you want to affect, click the text rotation icon, and select Stack Vertically. With just a few clicks, you've transformed your layout and made your data easier to scan. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly formatted vertical text in Google Sheets.